Hey, I'm Amanda,
And I'm Cameron, and we started Tilted Bucket.
a recording studio where everything is built or modified by us.
Let's jump in and see what we're working on today.
Alright, so I'm going to start by making a template using the base of the enclosure. I'm going to trace that out and scan it in, open in Photoshop, and I'm going to fill the center with black. And I'll reduce the edges slightly so that way I've got a nice yellow border. And here's the graphic we're going to use on the pedals since the Byrds use this compressor. And here's my black and white sample just to make sure the sizing is correct. Looks good. So now I'm going to print onto an adhesive vinyl. And I'm going to trace out where another template where all of the holes are going to line up. And I'm going to transfer those onto the original graphic on the vinyl. And next I'll apply 3 coats of acrylic clear coat just to protect and seal it.
Alright, so because I was so excited to make this pedal, I totally forgot to record myself actually building the circuit. So here's me doing the final assembly and soldering in a few of the final wires and components. There's the finished circuit board. And here we have the awesome Jangle Box Compressor, which was famously used by Roger McGuinn of the Byrds. Super awesome, and we think it came out great. Thanks for watching.